Hi, my name is Latasha Williams. I am a student at Columbia Southern University. Today I will be talking to you about several aspects of China's criminal justice system, including civil rights, the prison system, the court system, and the police system. There are a few specific laws in China that influence what a person can or cannot do. Citizens of China enjoy some of the same freedoms as those of the United States, such as freedom of speech and freedom of the press. However, one of the disadvantages is these freedoms are not institutionally protected by the Chinese government. Public speeches that have a wide impact on prohibited subjects may result in criminal punishment. According to a report from Freedom House, China has one of the strictest media environments and censorship, especially online. China has one of the military style of policing. As a constituent of China's military force and assistant to the State Council, the People's Armed Force, also known as PAPS, is under the leadership of the State Council and is responsible for protecting the country. China's police force is comprised of an internal security force and various other police forces. This includes border security, firefighters, and security guard forces. They are in charge of providing criminal and national security, social stability, and public safety. China's legal system has a mixture of traditional Chinese, socialist, and civil laws. It is primarily controlled by the Communist Party. China has been criticized on numerous occasions for the widespread of abuse in their judicial system. This type of abuse has caused many citizens to seek justice outside of the courts, including on social media outlets and through human rights groups. China's court system is unlike the court system in the United States. For instance, the Supreme Court in China is a massive bureaucracy that spends a lot of time on passing legislation, providing education, and resolving legal disputes. Each court is responsible for political operations at their own level. In regard to representation of counsel, citizens are not provided with proper legal defense. There is approximately one counsel for every 10,000 citizens in China. In some areas, legal aid advisors are provided for poor citizens to be afforded access to the legal system. The prison system in China is different from the United States prison system. If an individual is convicted of a crime, they can be denied certain fundamental rights and may be sentenced to spend time in China's labor reform prisons. The labor reform system is an established part of Chinese law for individuals who are seen as dangerous criminals. The purpose of the labor reform prisons is to re-educate offenders on the seriousness and the consequences of crime through forced labor. The hardships that many prisoners suffer from in China include violation of human rights, solitary confinement, and inhumane treatment. Solitary confinement usually consists of prisoners being placed in a tiny cell without food or water for several days. Many of the labor reform prisons continue to use these practices today, despite the ineffectiveness it has had on getting prisoners to reform. The prison system in China is an integral part of the China's economy. Forced labor provides the manufacturing of many products and goods that are secretly exported to other countries. Despite the disparities between China's legal system and the United States criminal justice system, there are several aspects of China's criminal justice system that has yet to be observed. Thank you for your time.